Hey everyone, today I want to talk about revisions in WordPress. Now normally you will have revisions in your posts, for your posts and for your pages. Now the revisions are made each time you save your post or page, and there is also a version that is saved with the autosave, which is saved every 60 seconds, but the autosave does not multiply itself like the revisions, the normal saving. There will just be one copy of the autosave that you will have available. Now you can see your revisions here at the sidebar, and if we click on them, we'll go to the screen. Now I will admit that it's a little difficult to tell the revisions because it adds all of these block code. These comments here are the blocks that we use with the WordPress block editor, and they will show and sort of confuse you a little bit. Now when you see the red background, it means it's something you deleted. Here we have the revisions that we've made so far on this document. 8 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 2 months ago. 2 months ago, the first one. Let's go to this one 8 minutes ago, and you will see that I added some information. The green background means that I've added something. Let's see here, and this one I removed something and I added something. So in order to go to that revision, all you have to do is click restore this revision. Now you can also compare any two revisions. Now let's see this one and this one. And we can see I added some things here and I removed this paragraph here on this, in this comparison. We can see that. So in order to, like I said, in order to restore your revision, all you have to do is click on this button and you will be taken back in time to that one. Now normally autosaves will show up here and it will be marked with red, so you know how that is an autosave, and you can revert to those as well if they show up here. Now if you have custom post types that you've created, you'll also have revisions for those. Now there are several tools because WordPress saves all the revisions, saves the revisions of everything. I mean, if you saved like I do, I saved like every 3 minutes, you're gonna have hundreds of revisions in here. So there, if you look in the WordPress repository, you can see and search for revisions. You will see that there are several things where you can do with revisions. You can control them, how many revisions are stored for each post type. You can purge the revisions. This is also done by plugins that do database cleaning, like this one, Advanced Database Cleaner. It deletes the revisions and expired transients. It does a whole bunch of fancy stuff that will make your site a little bit faster. And you can also limit the revisions that you have. Let's say you only want to have the last 10 revisions. You can use this plugin here to do that, to maintain a specific amount of revisions instead of having all of the little ones that you have. So this is information about revisions in WordPress.org. They talk to you about revisions and autosaves, and I will put that link in the description of the video. I hope this quick tip has been helpful to you.